What's up, guys? I'm back again. Day trading NASDAQ futures MNQ like usual. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2026. And I didn't make a video the last couple of days because I had a meeting yesterday and then I had other stuff going on the other days. So I was recording and I just decided to cut the recording and not do videos because I had so much stuff going on. I just didn't feel like it was a real good video either day. So just to get you updated, Tuesday I had a red day. I was down $77. Wednesday I had an evaluation account expire, just like I was talking about a few videos ago. I didn't know until about a week or so ago that Apex changed their rules, and now you only get 30 days to pass each eval. Whereas before, if you didn't mess with your evals and they just sat there, you didn't lose them, you just got billed again for the next month, and then you could just work on those to get them funded whenever you felt like it. So I left a couple of evals just sitting there chilling for a few weeks. They changed the rules, and then now I've had 2 expire because I didn't start trading them soon enough. But that's all good because now I have these 2. They're off to a good start. I've got set the 74 account, 51,795. The 75 account, 51,18. So they're on their way. They'll be funded. I'll probably have one of them funded next week and the other one the week after maybe. Just going to take it slow, stick with the current strategy. I'm going to get at least 10 of these accounts funded and then just use the copy trader to trade maybe 5 of those at a time, alternate those from day to day, or maybe trade 5 for 5 days to get a payout, trade the other 5, or I'm going to do something, maybe just alternate, get a trade on 5, change to the other 5, get a trade on those. That way I trade both pretty much every day maybe, but I'm not having all 10 accounts at risk at one time or something. But that's the goal. I decided I'm going to do the funded account stuff. I've been working on some other accounts, live accounts and stuff also. But, I think it's a good idea to trade some funded accounts because you can stack your money pretty quickly, even with just 5 or 10 of these Apex 50K accounts. Just shoot for like $200 profit per account per day. So 10 accounts, $200 per account, $2,000 a day profits, pay your taxes, you still walk away with a good chunk of change every day, every week. Very good income from prop firm trading. So that's what I'm going to do, and I hope some people can watch these videos and learn from what I'm doing. I've been doing this for a while now, and I'm going to keep it going. So the market just opened, waiting for bar 1 to close. Got another minute or so left on that. So let's see what kind of price action we can get. See if we can get a couple of good solid trades and lock in some profits today. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Order filled.
Alright, the bot placed this trade for me. Let's see if we can get that fill real quick. Come on, almost had it. Pop up there. Put this stop at break even just because. Pop back up there, come on. Well, small loss there, and I'm not sure why I was already down $90. I'll count that as a small loss, but I'm not sure why I was down $90 unless that trade that accidentally got filled earlier I guess it did get filled earlier. I didn't realize it. Okay, so if I would have let that trade run, I could have probably ended up getting 10 points out of it so far, and it's still going, so I could have possibly got the full target of half an ATR. But with us kind of at resistance on that 15, I wasn't 100% sure. So I was just being cautious, put my stop loss at break even. But it would have been a winner now. It would have obviously been a winner now, so I probably should have let it have room and not moved my stop to break even on that one. But it is what it is. Can't win them all. Trying to just be cautious here on this Friday. Price action hasn't been too great so far. Okay, it looks like the bot might place another trade here, and it did. See if we get that fill. It's a good setup. Will the momentum continue? I'll give it a minute. Strong close on that 15-minute bar, so it's looking good. I think we'll get it.
Submitted.
Alright, we got the fill there. Let's see if the bot's trade can play out and give us a good 21 points of profits, half an ATR. Keep it going. Let's see if we can get at least 15 or 20 points out of this trade. Maybe it will just spike right up there to my target, but at least 15 to 20 is what I need. There we go. Got out for 14 or 15. I'm not sure where I got filled. I hit it when it said 15, and then I saw it jump down to 14. So not bad. $100 in the green at least.
Order filled.
And then short, which is fine. Go ahead and see if I can grab a few points right here. Bidding towards the downside, so bet towards the 20 EMA. And then once we get down there, depending on how it reacts, I might still take that long off the 20, but we've had so many little bounces from that area already. I might wait because the 15-minute chart is showing its 20 EMA way lower, and we could just drop to it. Let's see what it does. Might as well get rid of this box. That was from a potential trade I was going to take earlier. Now I think we could just drop right through that 20 EMA on the 5 minute and go towards the 20 on the 15. And I might scale out of this trade. Let's see. I'll put my stop at break even. Stopped out. Oh well. That's still a winner. And we might get another opportunity to short. But let's see what happens here, because it's kind of looking like a bull flag on the 1 hour. The 15, possibly a bull flag. Not the best bull flag, but possible. At least I locked in profits on 2 of those. That's why I do that sometimes. So at least I'm up $314 on the day so far. Just $40 away from this 74 account being at 52,000. Okay, I'm going to call it a day right there because it looks like we're just trying to stay in this range. And I'm not sure we'll break below this 20 EMA on the 15. If I see a perfect setup where I could take a short down towards that 20 on the 15, I might do that, but you know, I'm alright with 314 in profits on the day on such a choppy day like this. This price action was not very good. You know, we could have said there's a trade here. This would have been a possible trade. If you could have got your profits locked in quick. That's a setup. And then of course I took these two. This one I wasn't sure about. It was a decent setup, but you know, I was questioning it. Good thing I didn't take it. That was a bull trap. No more good setups. You know, this one, decent bar, but I thought it was a bull trap too, so I didn't take that. I took the short here, where this red box is, and then I had a wide stop and a wide profit target, so I was able to lock in 30-something points on a couple of contracts here, got out at break even, or a little bit better than break even on the other 3. So on the day, up 314 with just 3 trades, I guess that was. I didn't mark one on the paper. So 3 trades, 314 on the day. We're still in a range. I'm not going to mess with it. So thanks for watching. I'm going to edit this video and get it uploaded later. So you might be seeing it, you know, a little bit later in the day, but I'll get that done. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I have a Discord. You can get to that through the link in the description on this channel. There's not very many people in there right now, so it's a good time to get in and ask questions. Good one-on-one learning. Get up to speed on this stuff quicker. You know, it takes several years to really get the hang of this stuff, but with a good mentor that you can ask questions on a regular basis, you can cut that time down big time. There's not very many legit good teachers on YouTube. Most of those people are trying to sell you their course or trying to get you to buy the evaluation accounts through them so they get the affiliate pay. You know, some of these people are making tens of thousands. some of them even millions of dollars from affiliate links. So that's their goal. They're not as focused on actually teaching people to trade. I want to actually help the people that are serious about this actually trade and get it figured out as quickly as possible without having to go through all these YouTube channels and then after a few years find out that they're all just fake and they're just making their money in other ways. So subscribe, leave me a comment if you like the video, and like the video, that'll help me out. And I'll make another video soon, and I'll do another NASDAQ and crypto update soon also. So until next time, peace out.